Project management is nothing new. People have been doing project management for hundreds of years. The projects like building pyramids thousands of years ago or the Great Wall of China. The project management is not only for large projects, it is being used for smaller, unknown projects too. For example, shifting your house from one house to another, making a new website for your organization, or a new PC game. The project management profession is growing over the years and is getting improved each passing day. Out of this improvement came a guide to the project management body of knowledge, otherwise known as PMBOK guide. Let's have a look what is PMBOK guide. You need to study the PMBOK guide to prepare for PMP exam. But why? Let's take a minute to talk about PMBOK guide and its importance. First, this guide is the standard used to manage projects across many industries. That's because each project is different. Some are smaller, some are big. If you are using PMBOK for small projects, it would not be practical. For instance, let's say you were going to move your residence from one house to another. This project might only take a few days from start to finish, but if you follow all the process in PMBOK guide, it would take weeks to generate all the documents. The project would be over before you even started the documentation. On the other hand, if you are going to build a large medical complex, you would probably follow every process in the PMBOK. In short, the PMBOK provides you guidance and framework for managing projects, and it gives you a choice to pick and choose which section to use. The PMBOK guide is based on the standard for project management created by American National Standard Institute or ANSI. Just as the profession of project management has evolved, so has the PMBOK guide. It now includes more progressive practices along with more traditional proven practices. What's nice about PMBOK guide is that it has a common vocabulary used throughout the project management. You can use these terms in any industry with other project managers and you will be understood. Now, there is one other point I'd like to stress, and it's the importance of professionalism. As a project manager and following PMI's Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct Guidelines, when you submit your PMP application, you agree to follow the mandatory aspirational standards set by Project Management Institute PMI. PMI members who do not follow standards are subject to disciplinary procedures. It is important to read the Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct Guidelines because several questions on the exam come from this document, like reporting illegal or unethical behavior. Now that you have a little bit about the beginning of PMBOK guide and how PMI feels about their code of ethics, that's a great base to start studying for PMP exam. So now it's time for you to get started.